I do not want to spend same or similar amount of time doing what I do right now. So the one thing that appealed to me most is the in-person classes.
The world is changing right now. I think we should have that agency to understand what is going on in the business world.
That kind of an experience only comes when you have a proper formal course where you are doing that kind of stuff. Right?
It was something that really gave me an idea about how do I want to portray myself to become a CPO and become a very good product leader.
I'm just focusing on enriching or super fine-tuning my thoughts and ideas. Okay, maybe down the line for the next 5 years, I would be starting my own venture.
I still feel there are things missing. So I want to learn more. I want to know more about product management and all the facets of it.
I want to take the growth charter of any business. I want to become that mini CEO or the CEO of any business that I'm currently handling.
I'd like to get into a director level role because, like I said, I have more than 14 years of experience as a digital product manager. And I think it's high time for me to understand the other nuances.
Right now, from 1 year, maybe I'm thinking of becoming a product manager. But maybe 5 years from now, I could start my new startup venture.
I'm into technology, right? So this part, I can manage, but I would like to explore domain as well as the leadership skills.
See, we talk a lot about AI, we talk a lot about ML, but what are the things you are going to get at the end? It's product.
A much larger space than just building the product software, just building the software, but the why behind building it was, I was intrigued by the why behind the product.
My aim is towards product, and when I say Executive MBA in product leadership, so that is what I look for.
This one, we will get a lot of experience in building the products. And there are many other courses that I explored outside, but ultimately, this is the one that gives some more practical aspects.
I noticed that most of them who offer the online learning, I found IPL is a key differentiator there because it offers in-person learning. There is an alternative weekend. You meet industry expert, you directly learn from them.
And what really hooked me onto this program was the experiential learning part of it. I think the product immersion sessions and the product lab sessions, I think those are the ones which really give this course that required edge.
Product labs is nothing but where the IPL is giving me a support to, if you have the idea, we will give you the platform to build that idea.
To the fact that there's a varied cohort. You get to interact with different kinds of people from different backgrounds. Like in our cohort, it's not only people from IT, we have designers, we have creative directors.
Peer-to-peer learning, so very few institutes offer at an executive level a 2-year program with in a classroom.
When interacting with people here, I did feel the confidence, and I was sure that my mindset would be different from what I've learned from in the past 10 years. That mindset shift will be there.
Mentors and career coaches who are coming are industry practitioners. And industry practitioners is not just 5 years or 6 years. They have been over here for more than decade, 15 years, 20 years. So that experience will have a lot of insights for me to grow as a personal brand actually.
In networking, when I looked into the cohort members, when I looked into diverse background those people are coming from, I think this networking and this group of people will give me a good career-oriented relationship.
Knowledge is a vast sea that you can never have it all in one go, and it's never enough, right? So whatever I'm working, I might like some things about it, I might know some things about it, I might research some things about it, but getting more knowledge and getting it hands-on and with actually the best professionals out here who are real industry people and not just a teacher or a mentor, but who pretty much will be your guiding light right now. That gave a whole new perspective to me.
Believe that certain things, especially business, can't be taught through books.